at yourself and don't worry about nobody. Drinking water, eating fruit, taking care of my body.
Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Arielle, and today I am doing a makeup video. I feel like I haven't done a makeup video in a really long time, so I'm really excited about this. The makeup in my last video, I'm gonna try and redo it. That was actually a recreation of Taylor Made Jane. Tried to make it my own because I didn't have everything that she had, but y'all don't care about that. So I'm gonna start off by using some of this LA Girl Pro Concealer. So I'm taking an IT Cosmetics Blurring Concealer brush, taking my Beauty Blender. Now I'm going to use the ColourPop Loose Banana Powder, and I'm going to use a fluffier brush. So I'm going to be using a few palettes, I think 4. Morphe 35B, I'm taking this yellow right here, and a fluffy blending brush. Focusing on putting it down first and then we'll blend it. Actually, you know what? I just skipped a step. Right. I'm gonna use the Warrior palette, this light shade right here, and put it under my brow bone. Now I'm back to yellow, and I'm just gonna put it down, bring it in towards the nose. Then I'm gonna place the brush flat against my eye and start blending it up towards my brow bone. With another fluffy brush, I'm gonna go into the Saharan 2 palette, and I'm gonna use this, I'm gonna use this brown. Oh, this is not brown. I'm using this burnt orange right here. I'm gonna go a little bit above the crease. One thing I noticed that she was doing, bringing the product down instead of like out. So I'm bringing it down too. Now to the Morphe 3502. I'm gonna take this right here. This is called Spice. And I'm just gonna put a little bit in here. And I'm gonna use another flat, fluffier brush. I'm gonna dig into Fez, which is this darker brown. And it's crazy, but I usually wouldn't build this many colors on. Like, I wouldn't build too many deep browns and that burnt orange together, but it really makes a big difference and it looks very nice. I love watching other people's videos. Ooh, I picked up the wrong color. I love watching other people's videos and trying to recreate what they did because it gives me a chance to do something different, and I always wondered why my eye looks don't look as deep as I want them to look. And one of the reasons is because I'm not building up enough colors. Now we're going back to the Morphe 3502. Back and forth and back and forth. Here, what do you call Wiz? This little baby blending brush. I'm gonna start blending that into the crease. My favorite brush for cut creases, Morphe M421, and I bought it specifically for cut crease. Sorry if I'm holding the mirror, I just really want to, I gotta see. But hopefully you can still see too. This is the same brush that I used under my brow bone. I'm just blending that into that concealer out. This eye has more of the dark shade around the cut crease, so I'm gonna have to make it match. I'm gonna use this angled brush. So I'm using this little brush again. This is gonna take me a while. Just put that all in the front of the crease. I'm gonna take this fluffy pointed brush. And I'm going to use all the shades that were in the crease and pack them into the outer V. And it'll just all start to come together. I'm going to add a little bit more of this light right here. I'm using this Essence liner. The lashes I'm using are these. They were already put together from the last time I wore them, and I don't know what two they are. I'm mixing the 170 and the 175 with ColourPop foundation, medium dark ColourPop concealer. Contouring with my handy dandy contour palette from Black Radiance, and I'm just going to use both of these together. Not dark enough, so I'm going to use this ColourPop No Filter Pressed Powder in Deep Dark. I'm going to use this ColourPop banana powder on the side of my nose. I'm going to wipe away the under part of it. For under here, I'm going to use Laura Mercier. Taking this NYX Milk Liner. First this shade, then this shade. Now this is the darker of the two. Angled liner brush back into Wiz. Right under the lash line. We are almost done. I'm taking this Buxom mascara and I'm going to clean up this glue. This is Essence Brow Gel. These are from either Wish or AliExpress. So I'm just gonna cut off 3 little pieces. 1, and that's 2, 3. You treat it like any other lash. Now we just put them on. This is only my second time, and I'm just figuring it out. So I'll just put it on and kind of press it in. Last one. Cover this lash band really quickly. I wonder if that means I put too much glue in the first place. Now for the extra special highlight, Anastasia Amrezy one first. This is a BH Cosmetics brush, and it's kind of pointed and fluffy. Nicole Guerrero. Point of the brush. And I'm only going to put it at the top. I'm going to use Make It Last, NYX Lip Liner in Nutmeg. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this concealer. This is going to make the lips stay all day. Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild blush just a little. Hope you guys like it. I absolutely love it. This chair is getting on my last nerves. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.